Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Zishan Farooq and you are watching Tech Stack. Today we are going to learn how to download YouTube video without IDM or any software. So let's start. Click on the Google Chrome and open YouTube here. Okay, so open any video. Let's say open this video. So here you don't have any option in the bottom of this video to download this video. So when I will add an extension, there will be an option of download. So now right here, add and copy the, or you can click on the link that I have given below in the description. So just click on add to Chrome and click on let's go. It will download and add an extension of Foxyfied in the Chrome. Click add to Chrome, add extension, and now it will be downloaded. Yes, so it will automatically redirect you to another page, and here the extension is the other part of the extension is being downloaded, and it will take a very few time, depends on your internet connection. So we will wait patiently. After downloading it, it will extract, and now you can click on allow permissions and allow. Okay, that's it, that's all. Now you can see it is successfully downloaded. Now close all of these. We are done. Just you have to pin the extension. Click on extension and pin it. Yes, click on it. That's it. So now before refreshing this page, you don't see any download button here. When I will refresh, so let's refresh it. Yes, now see in the bottom. Yes, you can now see the download button. Okay, so click on the extension. The best way to download is click on the extension, and here you can see the multiple resolutions of this video. So let's click on 720p. Okay, so it's being downloaded with very fast speed, and okay, we will wait for it patiently to being downloaded. So this is very easy to use and very useful extension. So now it's downloaded, you can see, and I click on open. Now you can see it is perfectly working. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and hit like. Thank you very much.